Welcome to your Thunder Nova Plus training refresher. In this video, we'll cover the main machine parts and the essential maintenance routines that will keep your Nova Plus performing at its best. This video works alongside your in-person installation training, so you can rewatch it anytime if you need a reminder. This is the air pump, also called the compressor. It generates the airflow for your machine. That airflow is controlled by the dual air assist system, which lets you switch between low air for engraving and high air for cutting. Here's your extraction fan and ducting, which removes smoke and fumes. Always check that they're connected tightly. These are your doors and locks. Built-in safety interlocks mean the machine won't fire if the doors are open. This is the wiring cabinet, where the electronics are housed. You normally won't need to open this, but it's important to know where it is. And finally, the keypad controller, which we will fully explain in the next video. Inside the Nova Plus, you'll find the laser tube and power supply, which generate the beam. The beam travels through mirror 1, mirror 2, and mirror 3. And then passes through the focus lens inside the laser head and nozzle. The machine moves on precision guide rails and bearings driven by belts. Your Nova Plus also includes Autofocus, which makes setup quicker and easier. And depending on the job, you'll use either the Honeycomb Bed or the blade table to support your materials. Your machine's mirrors should be cleaned about once a week, or more often if you're using the machine heavily. Mirror 2 and mirror 3 usually get dirty faster than mirror 1. To remove a mirror, always use the supplied mirror release tool. Insert the tool gently, unlock the mirror, remove it carefully, and clean it with lens wipes and fluid in a circular motion. The focus lens must be cleaned daily and sometimes twice a day if you are cutting a lot. To remove it, first detach the iris valve, then unscrew and remove the laser head. Use the supplied tool to release the lens. golden rule. The laser beam must always hit the curved side of the lens first. When the lens is in your hand, drop the curved side down into the holder. But once you turn it over and reinstall it into the laser head, the curve will face upwards inside the machine, exactly as it should. Clean the X, Y, and Z rails along with the bearings regularly. Use non-fluffed cotton wool with a small amount of lubrication oil. Wipe along the rails. The oil cleans and lubricates at the same time. A light wipe is all you need. Clean the extraction system once a month. Lower the bed to access the rear vent and vacuum it. This often gets clogged. Remove the piping at the back. Shake it out or vacuum it. You can also run the extractor outdoors to blow debris clear. Inside the cabinet, use a brush and vacuum to clean the panels. The honeycomb bed also needs regular cleaning. Vacuum the surface and, if needed, soak it in warm water with mild detergent. That's it for parts and maintenance on your Thunder Nova Plus. Remember, clean your mirrors weekly, your focus lens daily, and your extraction system once a month. A few minutes of care will keep your machine powerful, accurate, and reliable. If you have any questions, contact MaxLaser support, and in the next video, we'll show you how to operate the Nova Plus from the keypad. External, air pump, dual air assist, extraction fan, doors and locks, wiring cabinet, keypad. Internal, maintenance, tube, mirrors weekly, focus lens daily, laser head, rails and bearings, cotton wool and oil wipe, autofocus, extraction system monthly, honeycomb and blade table, vacuum and soak if needed.